How to view Facebook draft on any Android device. Open Facebook application and at the top, as you can see what's on your mind, tap on it and let's write in here something. And once you have typed in something here, let's try to come out from this section or page, and as you can see a menu box has appeared that says saved as draft. So tap on it, and when you scroll from the top and see a notification has came that says your draft has been saved. So let's tap on it, and here you can see the list of your draft post on Facebook. If you want to delete it, you can tap on three dots next to it and tap on discard draft, or if you want to republish it, you can tap on the unpublished draft and make the changes here and tap on next button, and you can easily post this Facebook draft. So this way you can easily view the list of all the Facebook draft on any Android devices. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.